The way you the way you describe Bangalore is like California in America.
Iba naman to kay Fraser, right?
Eggs and eggs, and this is my friend's store. It's just a small store, guys, but it's they're saying bye already. Yeah, it could help my channel. You know, Nicholas, I'm doing this for my channel. No, it's not balut. It's chicken eggs. You know, eggs is
I don't know.
the usual food. So it's usual present in breakfast. I don't know, Jacob. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what. Where are you from, Ryan? Yeah, eggs are important. Yeah, eggs is important. Yeah, I know, Texas. Because the way you speak, you sounds like an American. But how come you started it with a demon? Why did you ask me if I believe in demons? Don't say that. Jacob is just being friendly. If you're Nicholas, right? If I'm the real deal. Why? I'm just doing my live stream, Ryan. Yeah, I'm real, of course. I'm not AI. I'm real. I'm just this is just my one way of promoting my channel to whom did you block? Are you really Nicholas? It's Nicholas. Nicholas is not like that. Are you sure you're Nicholas? I don't know if it's Nicholas, Jacob. Ano na ako? Patit na na. Ito na ko ba, Joy? Sige. Ay, mukuhan ako ni mo. Ako yung message. Mawala niya ako wifi. No, hindi mo. Isa, ako na lang ikuhan. Ako. Hindi, nakakuhan mo. Nakakunig ka sa piso wifi. I don't know if it's Nicholas, Jacob. I don't know what's with that guy. I don't know what's no. Actually, we've been chatting. If he's Nicholas, we've been chatting for a week now. But I don't know if he's Nicholas. I don't know if he is just impersonating Nicholas. I don't know anymore, Jacob. Hi, real Nicholas, because Nicholas has been interacting with the other live, right?